Alright, y'all, we got us a flat tire on this heavy e-bike, so we're gonna try out some slime today. So first step is we're gonna remove the valve stem, and it comes with a handy tool here. There it is. Now when doing this, it says for the stem to be a little bit higher up. So we'll keep it up to this level. And then we're gonna fill it up with 4 ounces, and it has a nice little black notch mark here indicating half the bottle. Gotta get close to 4 ounces inside here. Okay, we got close to the 4 ounce mark. We're gonna go ahead and put the valve stem back on and then put some air into the tire. And it feels pretty snug. You don't need to go too tight. Put about 15 PSI in the tire, and once you have it air in here, instructions next say to spin the tire around for a bit, just help the slime get all over the place and settle into whatever needs to be filled in. If you have any small leaks, it should take care of it. So it's been about 5 or 10 minutes, and yeah, I cannot hear anything leaking like I could before because I had a big thorn in here, and I pulled that out, and then you could totally hear it. So what I did, I reattached the lid here just so you can reuse this for maybe you have another tire that could go. And then also I just rinsed with water the tube so it's nice and clean and good as new, and it's got a nice little spot where you can keep it. And we'll come back in 24 hours and hopefully this baby holds up. It has been 24 hours. This baby is holding air. I'm so happy and relieved. The slime really saved my neck, and something great to carry with you, maybe on a long bike trip. I do not have to deal with this heavy rear e-bike, having to take it off of here with that heavy hub there. You just use the slime, and bike tire repairs as a piece of cake.